Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well, guys. See, this is a very big machine. I will be taking you through the steps of how it is made, how you can learn it, how you can build it at home, and build some business around it. Will be a very interesting video because we just created a lot of interest in the channel. And if you want to support the channel on YouTube, just you to be sure hit the subscribe button, and for you to be sure, just hit the bell icon just beside it, and also don't forget to like what you see. That one will help me on YouTube, and we also give the videos now time to grow on YouTube very fast.